message is being transmitted at the request of the Iowa Emergency Management Agency, at the recommendation of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An event that is suspicious in nature and may pose future risk to anyone in the state of Iowa depending on a variety of factors is taking place at the Duane Arnold Energy Center, located near Palo, Iowa. Local law enforcement, as well as civilians in the area, have reported that the Duane Arnold Energy Center has mysteriously restarted operations. More disturbing though, is that the plant, by all reports, is appearing back to fully operational status. In addition, strange creatures were seen appearing to be operating the plant. These creatures are described, based on limited details due to harsh visibility conditions from ongoing heavy rain in the area, are described as one of two bipedal sentient varieties, both also appearing to have levels of intellect at or above a human. The first set has glowing red substance seen visible on their bodies, which is speculated to possibly be either fire or magma, with flaming glowing eyes and are on average 6 to 6 1/3 of a foot tall. The second set have dark-colored fur of some sort, possibly blue or purple, with an equine-like head complete with an icy crystal unicorn-like shape on it. Their eyes glow blue, though sometimes are purple for reasons that are unknown at this time. They also have bat or dragon-like wings. It is important to note that the energy from the plant is, for now, being used to supply the same communities the plant once did, with power generation, and no damage has been done to the plant. Despite this, multiple agencies are investigating this matter, such as the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, to find out where the nuclear fuel required for full operational restart could be acquired from, let alone how these creatures restarted the plant in the first place. Residents in Iowa are strongly advised to keep up to date on this matter from local media outlets, as this situation could escalate at any moment.